How to use HubSpot for SEO 2024. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about HubSpot and how you're going to be using this incredible software for SEO or search engine optimization. Now, what you're going to want to do for yourself is you are going to be coming over to the left-hand side over here. And what you're going to do is right here in content, it's going to give you SEO, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it. And once you click on it here, it's going to say get found online by improving your search rank. Let HubSpot take the guesswork out of SEO with customized suggestions for improving your site's ranking, keyword recommendations, and more. Now, SEO is not available on the free plan. You are going to need to become a Marketing Hub professional for it. But basically, this is how you're going to be adding it. So once you download it from here, there are endless possibilities of features that you could be using for yourself. So HubSpot's SEO tools are integrated with all the content tools so you never miss an optimization opportunity. You can also understand how to optimize your content in one convenient location. With limited time to learn the ins and outs of website best practices, it can be difficult to understand where to focus your efforts to have the biggest impact on content performance. Now, that's where HubSpot's recommendations and their tools come in. You'll get actionable recommendations on how to optimize your website speed, mobile performances, on page SEO, accessibility, and much more. You can plan your content strategy and build search authority, report on your performance rank in search, and as we go on, you can put your SEO in blogging, landing pages, email, marketing automation, lead management, analytics, social media, partitioning, CTA, ads, and Salesforce integration. So, yeah, this is basically how you're going to use HubSpot for SEO in 2024. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.